back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with an exciting non-phone work-from-home job lead for you. We're going to dive straight on in, and just know the links to all the pages that I share are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that when you get to the end of the video, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like button. That does give me direct feedback that these are the types of job leads that you want to see, and also share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life, having that great work-life balance. But with that being said, today's job lead is from a company called Activist Connect. Now, Activist Connect has 259 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.3 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring what they call a content moderator. Now, one thing to note, this is not a moderator like on an online chat. You're going to be actually reviewing transcripts from an AI or artificial intelligence generator, conversation generator, think like chat GPT or whatever it is that have seen a lot about here recently. You are going to be reviewing that to make sure it's accurate and make sure it is error-free. So Activist Connect says that they have AI-generated conversation tools that have cutting-edge technology, and so their systems generate and engage in various conversations. They prioritize accuracy and user safety in those conversations. So as a AI conversations content moderator, you're going to be responsible for reviewing and assessing those output transcripts of those AI-generated conversations, making sure they're accurate, making sure they are appropriate, and in compliance with their content guidelines. You're going to play a critical role in maintaining the integrity of their AI systems. So you're going to be identifying and removing inappropriate or offensive content or any sensitive information from these conversations, adhering to the company content policy. You'll conduct checks to verify that the AI-generated conversations align with content standards, avoiding any misleading or deceptive information. So you're basically just going to be reviewing these transcripts for any errors and taking any errors or sensitive information out of them. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They're looking for somebody who has a prior experience in some kind of content moderation, transcript, or AI moderation, somebody who can be great with that attention to detail and is familiar with AI or technical skills. Now, pay is $15.25 an hour. This is a W-2 employee position. It is a full-time position. They are going to give you paid training, and after 60 days, you get a complete benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, and 401k. Now, it does say this is a fully remote, 100% work from home position. I would like to note, though, down here in the application, it does say, can you show proof to work in the United States? And then it says this question is not required, but then it says it's got a red star like it is, so I'm not sure. It's asking if you live in certain states, so I'm not sure if they can only hire in certain states or not. They're not very clear on if they have state restrictions for hiring. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.